Hello and welcome back to AirTech channel where we discuss everything related to technology. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top software technology courses that you should take today. With the technology industry rapidly growing, it's important to stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques to remain competitive in the job market. So let's get started. The first one is the Complete Web Developer course, Build 20 Websites by Udemy. This course is perfect for beginners and covers everything from HTML and CSS to PHP and MySQL. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build and design 20 different websites from scratch. Second is the Complete Python course by Udemy. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and this course teaches you everything you need to know about it. You'll learn how to build web applications, machine learning algorithms, and even games using Python. Third, the Complete JavaScript course 2022, From Zero to Expert, by Udemy. JavaScript is a must-know language for anyone interested in web development. This course covers everything from the basics of JavaScript to advanced concepts like S6 and React. Fourth, Machine Learning by Andrew Ng on Coursera. This course is taught by one of the world's leading experts in machine learning and covers everything from linear regression to neural networks. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build your own machine learning algorithms. Fifth, Full Stack Web Development with React Specialization on Udemy. This specialization covers everything you need to know about building web applications using React and learning the latest React.js concepts, Redux, React Router, JSX, Webpack, more. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build and deploy your own full-stack web application. Sixth, the Complete iOS App Development course by Udemy. This course is perfect for anyone interested in developing iOS applications. You'll learn how to build applications using Swift, Xcode, and iOS frameworks like UIKit and MapKit. Seventh, the Complete Android N Developer course by Udemy. Similar to the iOS course, this course teaches you everything you need to know about developing Android applications. You'll learn how to build applications using Java and Android Studio. 8th, Data Science Specialization on Coursera. Data science is a growing field, and this specialization covers everything you need to know about it. You'll learn how to clean, visualize, and analyze data using tools like R and Python. 9th, Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals Specialization on Coursera. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and this specialization teaches you everything you need to know about it. You'll learn how to build web applications, Android applications, and even games using Java. And finally, Software Development Masterclass, Beginner to Master by Udemy. This course covers everything you need to know about software development, from the basics of programming to advanced concepts like software design patterns. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills you need to build your own software applications. That's it for today's video on the top software technology courses you should take today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these courses are a great way to improve your skills and stay up to date with the latest trends in the technology industry. You can find the courses links down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.